So, got some big unexpected thunderstorm rolling in. Cold Lake is over there. Bonnieville's over there. According to the radar, the storm is about like that. It's supposed to pretty much miss us altogether. Cold Lake's getting hammered now. Dad's bailing. Only got like 2 rounds around to one field to do. Got the Cockshut and John Deere bailing up a storm. There's a good chance, according to radar, we aren't even going to hit this. It's going from kind of heading southeast. But there's been some crazy thunder. Like, haven't seen thunder like that in like, I don't know, a year or two. The dog, Cooter, who will never get in a vehicle. Ever. Right, Cooter? Hey, talking to you. Yeah, you. You, say hey, huh? Yeah. He'll never get in a vehicle. But the thunder got him kind of scared. So I invited him in the truck, and he obliged, or I don't know. He went in the truck. Right? You big scaredy. You scared. That's gonna be it for bailing. See up there, it looks kind of cloudy. Well, it's raining right there, and we got big spits here. Dad's right over there. Looks like he's gonna have 1 round done, and it looks like looks like the baler didn't tie this bale. Holy moly, that seems big. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think that's probably why it didn't tie. Holy mackerel. That's I'm 6'4", and it is a couple inches above my head. I guess he didn't pay attention when yeah, that's why he couldn't bail. He bailed till the baler quit, I'm guessing. Looks like he got that one figured out for tying. Oh, and it's raining. Ah! Cooter, it's raining. Big cold drops. What do you think, Cooter? Huh? Well, he's still going. He must be gonna just finish the bale, finish the row. Wang Cooter, you do not like thunder, do you? I might get a tenth of rain out of this yet. Oh, there's not much dust no more. There was dust like 10 seconds ago, but not much in the way of dust now. Oh, we got another storm. Oh, this one's looking even better than the last. Powers went out like 3 times. It's on now, but good time to burn garbage. It's nice and wet. I love it. Thunder, lightning, hitting power lines, power poles, blowing everything up. Oh, that's that. See that kind of bluish? Oh, and those clouds are moving. Look at that. That's fast. That's a lot of water in there. You can see kind of a blue tinge to it. Oh, this is cool. I love a good storm. It's like the thunders all around. Can't see no lightning, but how fast those clouds are moving. Oh, starting to sprinkle. Where's the rain? Bring the rain. Oh. Woo! I love it. I love it. Power still on? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Hey, we're gonna be shut down for haying. Might as well have a good storm. Ooh, I better do this window up. This truck ain't worth crap. Whatever. Come on, ranger. Oh, you can see it in the field over there. She raining hard. I love it. Oh, look at that. It's really coming down. Oh, it's getting sharp. It's coming. Ooh. There's some lightning. Oh, here comes the rain. Going like sideways. Look at that. Oh. Oh, yeah. I didn't want that. Oh, my goodness. Look at the hail. Oh. Ah, I don't want that. Come on, really? Oh. Holy moly. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh. Look at the trees. Wow. That's a good bit of hail. And the wind, like, it's hard to tell, but look at those trees. Whew. I'm surprised there's hail. The radar didn't show any purple. Just yellow, a little red. Whoa. Look at that. Ah, Steven's parking. Oh, I think he's parking his truck so it doesn't get hailed on. Hope he doesn't think he's parking in here, because then I gotta move the semi. I think he's gonna try and jam it in the 3-car garage. Holy! Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh, and that wind! Oh boy! It's gonna. Oh, look at that! It's bouncing off the bins. My screen's too wet. Oh. Oh, we did her. Power's out. Something I'm thinking hit the line, because it kind of flickered a little again. And she's out. Oh, no power. Ooh. Oh. Well, there's not a lot of hail now. There's a little bit. Look at the water running. Holy moly. Hopefully all the windows are closed and everything. I think my truck window's closed. Oh, damn it. I forgot to put the window on the Bobcat. Oh, jeez. I mean the door. Ah, well, that sucks. Wow, look at that. The water's running. Washing the truck. Woo-wee. Might as well just keep videoing this. Oh, it's starting to brighten up a bit. So it looks like most of the storm's over there now. Ooh. I love it. It's down without the hail, but there, it seems like it's kind of subsided now. We just got all the carnage. Power's still out, so either a tree fell on something, which is a good chance. The wind was blowing like crazy. Or lightning blew up a transformer, maybe. Anywho. Still a little bit of rain. Woo! A lot of water. Oh my. Whoa, look at that. Ooh, more lightning. Look at that, clear blue sky. Still pouring rain there. I love it. I love it. Well, I think that's about it for now. Hail's melted, I think. Yeah, hail's all gone. Whatever damage it is probably isn't gone, but... Woo! So... like the mud piggies, huh? So, we went from 1.5... focus. Jeez. 1.5 to 3.5. Focus. What is wrong with you? There. The 3.5 tens. So this last stretch we got 2 tens. So good rain. I like it. Pig's got some mud to play in. So figured we'd go do some storm checking. Went with the brother. Go check some neighboring fields for the farmer he works for. And then we just started getting pictures and texts from other neighbors and whatnot. And so we went for a drive. And what a sight to be seen. Oh, the carnage. Trees everywhere. Like this isn't even a big tree. And that broke right off. The whole road, just trees, branches. Goodness.
Yeah, I think it probably is because it came through here.
There's quite the plow wind or something. Just either pulled them out of the ground or completely shredded them. That one was before rotted off. But these ones are still good. We found the mother lode of hail. Yeah, no wonder the crops across the road are kind of flat. That was a lot of water and a lot of hail. Oh, wow. Oh, there's some jagged ones right there. Oh, that's a good size right there. Oh, well, that's a rock, but ouch. Oh, ooh, that. Yeah, probably been an hour, I guess. Oh, ouch. That like broke and like, oh, yeah. This was full bloom. Now, oh, like, You can see the corner of the field over there still yellow. And then the line was like this. And we're over there, half a mile. Then mowed Buddy's potatoes 2 miles that way. Oh, this is sickening. Ouch. Just nasty. That one just kinked her right off. Leaves are, there's some good holes in some of them. But, ouch. That is rough. Ooh, jagged. See how jagged that is? Ooh. That is... They're gonna have to have the crop adjuster come out and look at this field. Yikesy. It's hard to tell. Right there, the power line, power pole, and there's the power line. Power line, and there's the tree. She took her down. The whole thing. Kaput. There's the power line. It's dead now. But yeah, so that's why we got no power. So that'll be a few hours till they get that back hooked up.